Good morning, everybody. I know you're probably like, who is that? Yes, y'all, it's me. Your girl finally got her hair done. So it is Thursday, and I know you're all probably thinking, girl, where the hell have you been? So Tuesday was just like an absolute wash. Like, I was at work until really late, and then I didn't do anything at home other than do some more work and then get something to eat. And then yesterday was a total wash. Was busy at work. I got a little bit of footage, and then I went and got my hair done, and I was there for a while, and it was late when I got home, so that was a wash. So it was too late to like edit and upload. So don't think your girl didn't do anything. I just been busy, okay? But today is a little less hectic, so I'm really excited. It is Thursday, the weekend is almost here, so I've got a couple things I need to do at work, and then tonight I'm going to cook dinner for my boo, and we're just gonna have dinner and watch some of our favorite shows. We've got a couple of shows that come on Thursday nights, so we are going to watch those and then go to bed. But it has been a stressful yet eventful week, but I feel like I've got a lot done. I'm looking forward to the weekend, super excited. One of those reasons is because myself, my husband, my brother, and my sister-in-law, we are going to the Puff Puff Pass Tour concert on Saturday. So I'm really excited about that. So we've got like Snoop Dogg, I think Nate Dogg, Warren G, somebody, I don't know, and like 5-6 other people. So that should be really fun. We haven't all gone out, like the 4 of us, in a long time, so that'll be nice. And yeah, just have a relaxing weekend. So looking forward to the weekend so bad. But I'll check in with you all later. Bye. Hey guys, so it is 12 o'clock. It is lunchtime. I am getting ready to go pick up some salads and take to Justin's work, and we're gonna eat together because I didn't get to see him last night, so I wanted to see his face, so we're gonna have lunch together. So I'm leaving the office, and well, actually I just had to drop my boss off to pick his car up from being repaired, and yeah, it's been an eventful day. Productive though. I've gotten a lot of done in a very short amount of time, so we're gonna keep that up. I'm gonna turn that down, you probably can't hear me. So guys, like, I am so excited about Christmas because I got some really cool gifts that I cannot wait to give to a few people, and I just think it's gonna be great. Like, I just love Christmas! Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. Hey guys! Alright, so just left work, just got in the car, letting it warm up a little bit, and I'm headed to yet another concert. So my other nephews, Bryce and Braden, yes, they are twins, they have a concert tonight at their elementary school, so we are headed there now. Well, I am. Justin's still at work. I think my in-laws will be there, so we're gonna see. I'm not really sure what this is, if it's a singing concert or what, but you know, your girl's gonna get some footage so you all can enjoy the cuteness. All right guys, see you in a minute. All right guys, like I said before, we are at another concert, and it's for Bryce and Braden. They're gonna do wonderful. They're gonna sing their little hearts out tonight. The band's here. We got Neil, we got Seal, we got Justin down there. That's Seal's husband, Justin. Then I got my daddy Bob. Look at Bryce and Braden. Aren't they so cute? Twinned out, twin life. Got them high top fades going on. I'm gonna embarrass them in a minute. Hang tight. Bryce! Braden! Yeah, they're trying to act like they don't hear me. But it's okay.
Yeah.
some vote. Ooh. Oh, this is a train wreck. Oh, he's mad. Hey guys, alright, so the concert is over and I did such a good job. And I just left the grocery store because I had to pick up a couple things so I can make a nice, healthy, nutritious, clean meal for my boo tonight. And I am headed home now. So, headed home to cook, and then I'm gonna do a little editing, and then I'm gonna upload these Vlogmas videos, y'all. I am committed. Alright guys, don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are always in the know and you never miss an upload. Alright guys, oh, don't forget, be sure to give me a follow on Twitter at bigbluedebutante.com. No, there's no .com on Twitter. Shit, what am I thinking? Okay, at bigbluedebutante, and there is no E on blue. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye. Bye!